How soon should I contact an attorney? Well, that's an important question. And if it's an important case, a serious case, a life-changing injury, the answer to that question is as soon as possible. There are things that a qualified attorney can do immediately to begin protecting the rights of their client. Insurance companies are going to be contacting the client to obtain recorded statements. Those statements can and will be used against that client if the case ends up in trial. So wouldn't it be nice for that client to have the advice of their attorney before they give a recorded statement? There's also other things that are important. Sometimes insurance companies will provide a release, or at least attempt to get a client to sign a release at some stage in the case. Maybe it's to pay for medical bills, maybe it's to pay for repairs to the vehicle. Other important things are attorneys, at least in my firm, we like to do an investigation. I like to have an accident reconstructionist or a paralegal, or even myself. I like to go to the accident scene. I want to document skid marks. I want to track down vehicles. If there ends up being a defect in the vehicle that contributed to the injuries, say an airbag didn't fire, or the roof crushed, or the seat back failed, or a seat belt didn't work correctly, then I need to make sure that I have access to that vehicle, that it hasn't been destroyed or sold or repaired, and I need to have an engineer do an examination. Otherwise, that evidence could be lost. So if it's an important case, then the answer to the question is hire your attorney as soon as you can so they can start their investigation and start working on your behalf to protect your interests.